In order to add something to your page from your Google Drive History Portfolio folder, you can do one of two things. You can double click down in the area where you would like to add that and choose from Drive, Upload, Images, or Embed. Or you can go to the right up by where you added the pages. On the left of that pages, you'll click on Insert, and you can see some of the choices, some of the same choices, but a few more choices here. So let's say you want to add a picture here from your drive. So if you double click, you can do Images, and I'm going to choose from my Google Drive. It will show me my drive here, all the folders in it. I would choose, I don't have a picture in the History Portfolio folder. That's what I would choose. If I was looking for a picture, I'm going to search for pictures in my drive. And here's a picture that I happen to have. I'm going to select that. And there's the picture. I can resize it. Notice that if you resize it, some of the picture may kind of disappear. See how the edges of that disappeared? In order to fix that, once you get it resized like you'd like it, you click on Uncrop, and it'll make it the same size that you wanted it, but it will put the whole picture on there. And from there, you can move it around. You can put it, in the center. It'll kind of let you readjust. And then if I wanted to put a little bit of text underneath that to tell about it, I can go here and click text box, or I can double click down here and choose text box and type whatever I'd like to there. If I wanted to put a Google Doc, I could also go from Drive, and I'm going to go to my Drive. I'm going to go here to my History Portfolio folder, and I'm going to look for a Google Doc. Here's the Google Doc that I have, and I'm going to insert that, and you can see that it puts my doc up there. I can resize this window so that it shows all of my doc. So those are ways that you can add things. You can see here if I wanted to add maybe a YouTube video that I had found. I'm going to go down here where I would want it to be. I'm going to click on YouTube. You can either go and do videos that you've uploaded, or you can search for a video. I'm going to search for one. I'm going to click on it, select, and there's my video. And it again will let me move it around however I want to move it, and then I can also resize it. After you resize it, you'll want to go again at centering or whatever. Now, the final step, once you have gotten things like you want them on your site, is to go here and publish your site. So the first time that you publish your site, you'll click on Publish, and it will open up this window. It will more than likely auto-populate something here, and if it does, I would just leave it like it is. I would leave all of the settings like they are. It's going to be so that anyone can view your site. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to click Publish. Now, I'm going to go down here and click on View this site, and this is what it would look like to someone that goes to visit my site. So I would send them the link to that. And the final step that we're going to do today, accomplish today is to go to your home page on your site. Make sure that you're not in the in the editing portion, but that you're at your published site. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to highlight this entire URL. One thing you might want to do is to take this little lock and drag it down onto your bookmark bar so that you can always easily find that. While I have this all highlighted, I'm going to copy it, which is Control-C. And then I'm going to give you a link to a document that looks like this for your class. You'll follow the directions here. You've copied the URL of your site. You're going to find your name in the table below. You're going to highlight your name, and then you're going to hold down Control and click K, and this will open up a little link box. Then you're going to paste or Control V the link that you copied just a minute ago. So I'm going to hit apply, and now I'm going to go here. I can click on that, on my name, click on the link, and it takes me straight to my site so that your teacher can easily access your site. The only other thing that I would remind you, if you are in the editing mode on your site, on your portfolio, you can make all the changes you want and it automatically saves those. However, they don't show up on your published site until you click publish. So be sure after you've made changes that you want to show up on your site that the last step is to always click publish.